Diba? Kabantay mo nga. Dili na ba ako? Oo nga. Ang nasawa na siguro wala sa kabalo kung saan benefits sa martial arts. Nakuha na. Dili na Arnis is one of the types of martial art. Arnis. So, in my picture, Arnis is the Filipino martial art and martial art of the Philippines. Yes or no? It is. What Republic Act in Republic Act regulation in Arnis? What Republic Act? Okay. 12 consecutive in Army drill. From drill number 1 to drill number 12. Demonstrated by the two students, different students. Really? Wow. Good. Drill number 1. Really? 1. That is drill number 1. Drill number 2. Really? 1. Okay, very good. Drill number 3. Really? 1. Drill number 4. Really? 1. Very good. Drill number 5. Really? 1. Really? 1. Really? 1. Drill number 8. Really? 1. Really? 1. Drill number 10. Really? 1.
Very good.
Drill number 11. Really? 1. Drill number 12. Really? 1. Wow. Okay, those are Arnis drill consecutive. Arnis drill. So, wala na to o pakpak.
Provide opportunities for personal growth and character development. First, physical fitness. So, martial arts training involves a variety of physical activities such as cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises leading to overall improved fitness. Second, self-defense skills. Martial arts, humility, perseverance and integrity, fostering personal growth and character development. Social interaction. Martial arts classes provide opportunities for social interactions and networking, fostering friendships and a sense of community among practitioners. Cultural appreciation, self-confidence, providing individuals with a sense of empowerment and assurance in their abilities. Stress relief. Engaging in martial arts training can serve as a form of stress relief, helping individuals to release tension and clear their mental discipline. Training in martial arts requires focus, concentration, and self-discipline, which can be applied to other areas of life such as work or in school. Improved coordination. Practicing martial art movements enhances coordination,